Hi Year 2s, welcome to today's lesson. We're doing a quick brainstorm of vocabulary for 3D objects, which is what maths we're looking at next. So 3D objects, you will see them all around you in your house or at school or when you're out in the streets. We see them a lot, okay, and you would have looked at them before, so this is just a bit of a recap. So to start off with, obviously we can have some 2D shapes within our 3D objects. We often see lots of them. Some other words we use are, we use the word edges, we use the words face, and we use the word vertex, which pretty much means corner. So if I was to draw, okay, there we go. If I was to draw an amazing cube, then my class know how good of a drawer I am. Okay. So the face is this bit in the middle here. Okay, if it's a dice, the face would be the bit with the numbers of the 1 to the 6. The edges, which I think you'll be able to work out, runs along the edge. And the vertex, or the vertices, if there's lots of them, that's the corner. Okay, so there's there's a few, they're probably the 3 ones that we'll use the most, but there are a few other ones. Okay, if you think of other shapes that you've seen or used, all right, you'll notice that we have shapes like this. Alright, so what sort of a shape is that? It is a cone. Alright, and these have curved faces. Alright, the one that runs along here is a curved face. So that's something else we need to be quite aware of in the vocabulary. And then we also have what we would call is I wonder how I can draw this 3D. Not the best one, but it is meant to be a pyramid, okay? That's a triangular base pyramid. So it probably helps if I do this one. There we go. So a triangular based pyramid. So with your triangle based pyramid, so the word we have which is important is a pyramid. Okay, very common. Alright, so a pyramid, and then at the top here, when there's a corner at the top, is often called the apex. The other word that I think is important that we need to know is when we're looking at shapes like that don't have a point at the top or the bottom or any curved is a prism. It's another really important word. I'll put it over here. Okay, and a prism is it's a 3D object that's been connected by rectangles or squares. So cubes, triangular prisms, so that's like your Toblerones, your rectangular prism, which is like a box. Alright, so I said this is some key words, just a few extras that we will hopefully get to. Nets. And a net is when we unfold a shape. Okay, so a net for a cube, well, this will be interesting with my amazing drawing skills. Alright, if we folded that shape up, looks like a bit of a cross, if we folded that up, it would become a cube. Alright, it's got 6 faces there that I can see. So there's the few key words that we'll use. and hopefully you'll have a go at doing this yourself, and you will be able to fit in actual shapes that you see. So, you know, we've got a cone and a pyramid. You can also have, we've written about a cube, but you might write it as a dice, depending on what you see at home or at school. All right, have a good day, everyone.